Jumbo, everyone. We're at Animal Kingdom Kidani Village, and I know it's been several weeks since you've seen the Beach Club Villa resort tour. Is it worth your money? And all the things we did there, because we spent 6 days there. But in fact, for me, in real time, it's been about 12 hours. So I filmed the last clip where I'm recapping our time at Beach Club last night. It is the following day. We're gonna get into split stays, the perks, the cons, all of that. But first I wanted to show you our 1-bedroom villa tour here at Kidani Village at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So that way you can compare. I'll share my thoughts and then we'll talk about split stays. We begin under the yellowest of lighting in Disney. The door behind me is the entryway door. I want to show you the vista and what you have access to in the hallway. So when you open the door, this straight line through to that balcony is what you see. However, unlike at Beach Club, we do have 2 amenities like right away. To our left here in these double doors is the washer and dryer, but this area also comes with a little bit of storage space and a laundry basket. Beach Club did not have a laundry basket. I really like this area for luggage and shoes. Our luggage hasn't been transferred over. We will talk more about that. But with all Disney Vacation Club villas, a washer and dryer stack is standard. Back at the center, off to the right here is a little bathroom. So this is going to act as Callie's bathroom. Callie is our 7-year-old daughter, so we did get a 1-bedroom because when we can, we prefer to sleep separately from her. So here we also have some of the standing H2O products, though at Beach Club they were all standalones, and here some are in the little like locked up tubes. She's already been in here, clearly. This is a Simba themed room. See what I mean with the H2O products that are locked this way. There is some theming here in the bathroom with the tile inlay, as well as kind of like the colors of the Lion King. But yeah, you got a tub, a shower, a toilet, a little get ready space with a sink. This is a full bathroom. As we continue entering, if you wanted to have a shared space, this is a lock-off area. Callie's stroller, which at Beach Club it fit neatly kind of in the entryway area, but because you have both of those amenities there, we're strolling it on in. I really like this little island area with the 2 stools. I feel like if you were going to cook, this feels very like cozy and homey. Hang on, let me turn on the lights in here. Not incredibly bright. Appliances here are black instead of stainless steel, but like every other villa, you do get access to a what Disney would consider full kitchen. Here is the dining area, a little bit bigger than at Beach Club. When you come in, I love the detail. Welcome home, Craig family. That's nice. Also, my goodness gracious, it is incredibly hot today. Now look at the little inlay of Simba. Can you see him in the bureau? We had this book in the last room, but this book is new to me. Though I have not stayed at an Animal Kingdom property in a really long time, I love these coffee table books. You have a lot of nice storage space here. It's really beautifully themed. This, what I would consider like particularly wide, cozy chair. We'll go out to the balcony in a moment. A coffee table, and then this will be Callie's like pull-out sleep area, which is the same size. I'm not sure if it's coming across on camera or not. This is so much bigger than Beach Club. Like, arguably almost double in this main sleeping living quarter space. Now, we were not particular about the view. because this is only a one-night situation. We are headed to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, so if you haven't checked that video out, I will make sure it's linked here. But look how much bigger this is. And remember at Beach Club, while we were on the first floor, our neighbors' chairs were like right here. Like you could easily see out. This offers a little bit more privacy. This room over here is our bedroom. So you have this like long area to hang out in if it wasn't, you know, 98 degrees. Now, if you can peek through here, this is like the car circle. Look, this is hopefully where our luggage is going to come from. I love the thatched roof here. Such a pretty detail, such an authentic detail. Oh, there goes a minivan. I can't hear anything in the room. So again, kudos to Disney for the soundproofing. But this area is nice because we are very close to the bus stop. And one of the downsides, I think, of Animal Kingdom Lodge, whether you stay at the hotel portion or here at Kidani Village, is that you do need to, in fact, take a bus to kind of get everywhere. But the theming in here is really lovely. And then this is going to be the primary bedroom. I love the headboard with Simba and Nala in the like Rafiki, what he did with his thumb with the fruit. I love that. This room is so much bigger than the one at Beach Club. There's the extended balcony. Now this is very much not my aesthetic, right? Like dark wood, carvings, etc. And Beach Club is, but I kind of love the idea that we're getting something new, that I'm getting a new experience. Oh, I just found a little hidden Mickey right here in the desk. Luggage rack. Also, just like at Beach Club and Bay Lake Tower, we have some USB ports, which I appreciate because then you don't have to lug so many of those bricks around. There are 6 just in this room alone. Oh, I lied. There are 10 because there are 2 by each in the nightstands as well. There's like 2 back there by the phone. There's 2 back here behind the lamp. And then what I think is honestly the most special part of this room, this massive bathroom with the theming of the tiles. Look, Simba. This is a full, apologies for the echo, a full jetted tub. I wish we were staying here for more than one night because I would 100% take advantage of that. Look at them. This humongous party shower with a bench. It's huge in here. This huge, though it only has 1 sink, which I think is interesting because I feel like they definitely have the space for 2, but this get ready area is far bigger than the one we just came from. A little water closet here, and then these are the only clothes that we have, which are our costumes for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. I like that it comes with 2 sets here. I found that I was, and I know it's gonna sound crazy because it's 98 plus degrees outside, but I was cold at night because the AC in these rooms is no joke. So I wish that I had had an extra set of these beyond what I had given Callie. So this will be nice. But overall, I'm really, really pleased with this room. It offers a ton of space, both storage-wise, but also for people. Like you could easily have a pair of adults, 2 kids. Maybe you could get a rollaway bed out here. Oh, and the temperature just reached 100. Can you believe we're going to be celebrating Halloween in a couple of hours in 100-degree heat? That is wild to me. But yeah, this is the entirety of the space. Apologies for not showing you this before, but just like any DVC villa, you are going to get real glassware, real servingware, utensils, anything you need to cook, though that is not something we routinely do on vacation. Oh, I like how they're low like that. That's nice. Your full-size fridge. I love that they have a recycling option in this room because Animal Kingdom Park really focuses on conservation. I wish all hotels did that. I will also be inserting some clips right now of the pool area because Mark took Callie there. My apologies, there's not a lot of natural lighting in this room, so we are working with what we have. Something that we have frequently done for a variety of reasons is a split stay here on Walt Disney World Resort property. All that means is that you split your time. It doesn't have to be equitably between Disney resorts. So for example, we have spent the past 7 days at Disney's Beach Club Villas, and we transferred over to Animal Kingdom Kidani Village today for our last, we'll say 2 days. We spent the morning at Animal Kingdom Park, then we came back here, we checked in, we're here tonight after Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and then we check out in the morning for our Disney cruise. So we're really here for less than 24 hours. One of the reasons why you might consider doing this is to try out Disney resorts. I do feel like because we've done many split stays that we've had the opportunity to try every range of Disney hotel. If you're on a budget, maybe you do one night of a split stay at a moderate or a deluxe to kind of splurge, or if you have a special event or it's a holiday or some type of ticketed event at a Disney park, you could go for just one night. That way you get to try that deluxe lifestyle without having to pay $800+ a night for a week. I do love the versatility of that. Another reason you might choose to do a split stay is for space. So if you have a bigger party and you want a 1 or 2 bedroom, you could do that for as long as your bigger party is here. And then if they depart early, you could go down to a studio space, either in the same resort or you could try somewhere new. So really, you could combine all of those reasons out of like necessity and purpose, financial reasons, or for simply the joy of trying the versatility of Disney hotels. Our reason this time is because we were supposed to spend a night at Universal Studios, and when we realized that the cost of a Universal Studio hotel was the same as a deluxe hotel in Disney, we thought, let's just stay on property because we know we love it here. This is a resort that Callie has never been to, and in fact, we haven't stayed at Animal Kingdom. I'm not sure we've ever stayed at Kidani Village, but we've never stayed or haven't stayed at Animal Kingdom since the trip that Mark proposed to me, which is over, what year are we in? It was 14 or 15 years ago. So it's been a while. I love the Savannah views here. I love the space here. There are lots of things that like I forget that I like at other hotels. And as I mentioned in the Beach Club Resort tour, I'm a creature of habit, so I would stay at Bay Lake Tower or the Riviera every single time in perpetuity until the day I die. So this really gets me out of my comfort zone and makes me remember how much I appreciate the details of other Disney resorts. So those are kind of like the pros of a split stay. You can get the experience of a moderate or a deluxe resort while also staying in a value-ish style budget by just doing 1 or 2 nights somewhere else. Now let's be honest about the cons, okay? One of them is the practical, tactical need to physically pack everything in the space you're leaving to get to the space that you're going to. So this trip was particularly challenging because we have a week-long Disney cruise coming up next week. So each of us has 3 suitcases, plus all of the merch that I have also purchased. So the con here was that like last night and early this morning, we spent a lot of time putting laundry away, making sure one bag was for cruise, one was for tomorrow, one's for today, like organizing all of our things. And the more kids you have, the harder this is. You then give your bags to Bell Services and they will transport them for you, which is a perk. However, it can take up until 6 p.m. for those bags to arrive. So Mark and I had to bring into Animal Kingdom all of our costumes. I brought shower things, makeup, etc. for our party tonight at Magic Kingdom, not knowing if our bags would arrive before we wanted to be at Magic Kingdom Park. I hope that makes sense. But basically I wanted to prepare. I had to pack Callie's swimsuit, etc. All of the things that I thought we would need for this hotel stay like right away. Our bags will be here probably before we leave, but I can't be certain of that. We left Animal Kingdom Park around 12:31 p.m. and we weren't sure if our room was going to be ready here. And luckily the wonderful staff here, we were like, please have a room ready, because Callie needed a little bit of a nap and a cool down. So did I. I would so much prefer to get ready in a bathroom space than like in a shared bathroom area. So this is so much easier, and luckily our room was ready, but that's also not a guarantee until 4:00 p.m. If you are transferring your luggage and hotels and you know you're going to be out all day and into the early evening, this would not be a hassle or anything you have to worry about. But just because we have a special event tonight, that was something that I planned for. I always find too, when we do a split stay, that there's a little bit of grocery waste if you're going to order them in or you go out to get them. Like, because we don't know if bags are going to arrive earlier in the day, I'm not going to save things like cream cheese, or orange juice from one hotel to the other, because even in a cooler bag, it's 100 degrees outside and I'm not risking those things going bad in that time frame and getting us sick. So we tend to throw away or dump bigger items. That's a little one, but it's one that, like, especially after weight loss surgery, is kind of like a pet peeve for me. And then of course, when you arrive at your new hotel, there's the whole element of like, let's get unpacked and settled all over again. So if you're going to do a split stay, I would recommend, if you can, like, split your time or pack lighter than I do. I will attach the packing video here. I did not pack lightly. I actually had to borrow a suitcase from a friend. I ended up splitting my checked bag into 2 checked bags because it was so heavy. I bought vacuum seal bags to take my things home in, with a little baby vacuum that like sucks all the air out, because I'm a heavy packer. But I also feel very prepared and like I didn't leave anything at home, and all of my outfits have been things that I'm very excited about. I hope you're watching on Instagram because they will all be shared there. So those are the details of a split stay here on Walt Disney World property. You could also do a split stay, I suppose, like off property to on, or vice versa. But I feel like it's one of those things where when you stay on property, you're like, I'm not sure I can ever stay off again, because there are so many perks in terms of Genie Plus if you're using that. Also, if you want a video on Genie Plus and this trip and how it's really worked for us, please let me know in the comments below. You also have access to early park hours, extra magic hours, and of course the transportation services here. So I'm always an advocate for stay on property when you can. Stay at a value. If that's what gets you here, that's where you stay. We love Art of Animation. It's right on the Skyliner line. That's our favorite value resort. I hope that this little baby tour, since we are here for like less than 36 hours, is helpful for you, but also the information about how split stays operate. You are more than welcome to like extend your trip. Just know that you don't have to stay in the same hotel. Like, that's been a real deterrent for us in the past, where we said, oh, we have enough points through Disney Vacation Club, or we have enough money to stay for 6 nights. And then there's a deal and we're like, oh, we could stay for 8 nights, but we can't get the same room. Stay at a different hotel, try something new. It's really fun. Thank you for watching and thank you for being here. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.